Hello artists. I got this .0 airbrush on Amazon and it arrived in the next day to replace the E91 master airbrush. And it looks like the exact same thing. Let's see if it even says airbrush on it. I didn't notice. Look at that. It even says airbrush. So I think it's the exact same thing. And there was two different pictures of the paint receptacles like this. One of them showed it at 30 degrees, what I wanted, and one at 60 degrees, what I didn't want. The 30-degree one came, so this fits perfectly on here, just like all my old paints that I custom mixed and everything. Fit perfectly on the .0. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Fits perfectly on there. So really nice. So one of the reviewers said that you couldn't reuse your old paint things. Apparently, I guess he didn't have a master brush, because these fit on there perfectly. I got a new hose. Let's see if... It doesn't look like the hose fits, and one person was complaining that it leaked. So I actually, with my Master Air kit, got an other hose, much better quality. It's not this kind of plastic that makes the can not sit level on the brush, but a nice braided fiber hose, which I will use with this, and it's going to work perfectly for me. Very, very nice. It'll probably last as long as the Master did as far as use. Now, I was training a whole bunch of young people how to use the airbrush, and they may have been pushing like differently on this thing, not treating it quite as well as I do. So I suspect it'll last longer with just me using it rather than training young people how to use it. So I'm very nice. One thing I would highly suggest is it comes with these .0 bonus guides. And I don't even want to show it because I don't want someone to say that I sent them there. And they're a bunch of PDFs. And the country that makes this particular airbrush cannot be trusted to go to files. It's probably on Dropbox or something. And if you go to those PDF files and download them, I'm sure you'll get a virus. So I would highly recommend against doing that. Since the master airbrush is the same, just watch the video for the master airbrush instead of going and downloading these PDF files. I think you'd be much safer with that. And one thing that I'm still unclear of is what this does. Now, it looks like maybe... See, that doesn't even fit on that. So I have no idea what this is supposed to do. Probably it is a way to attach an external paint can, but you would have to have a paint can that actually matches. Is this even threaded? No, it's not even threaded. So, oh, well, it's threaded there. So I actually have no idea. This looks like it can control the paint that flows. It must be what it is. It's for an external paint can. If anybody knows, please put it in the comments where you can get the little paint cans that fit on this. That would be really nice to have that ability. I got one with my master airbrush too. So I'm very happy. This cost 2/3 of the price of the master because it was a .0. I'm sure getting stuff from this country is probably going to be no longer possible. So if you need one of these, you could probably get it now. It'll probably last maybe a year, which is me using it, I'm thinking. And I'm also better at it. But I bought all these little paint containers for this thing. So it's nice that I can keep using it with the .0. So very nice for the price. Thank you. Appreciate you, artist.